welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to create a deployment. A deployment consists of a scenario and/or a test asset. If you'd like to review the process for creating a scenario or a system, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To create a deployment, click the Add button next to Deployment under the Composite section of the main menu, select Browse Scenarios, add a scenario to your deployment by selecting the plus icon from its asset tile, or by clicking the tile and then selecting Add to Deployment Builder. Return to the builder by selecting View Details from the notification box in the bottom left of your screen, or by clicking the green number next to Deployments. The process for adding a test asset is much the same. Next, give your deployment a name and, optionally, a description. On the next page, you'll have the option to add custom runtime properties. We go into greater depth with this subject in another video, so please check that out if you're interested. Next, review your deployment. You will then be able to finish and launch your deployment, but for now, we'll just click Finish and save the launch process for another time. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.